Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use the bank reconciliation function within QuickBooks. And I think the focus today is really about, standard bank reconciliation software. If you want to learn more about, automating your payouts from providers such as Kolleno, Stripe, Adyen, etc., PayPal, via software such as Kolleno, please you can see the separate video for how to automate payout transactions. So starting off over here, you can see what the bank transactions, app transactions, receipts, reconcile, rules, charts of accounts. So with the bank transactions, you can link all of your bank accounts and then have a bank feed that, gets updated within the system here like once a day. And it's really great because it's showing you what that live bank feed is, the balance, as well as what the balance is in your accounting system here in QuickBooks. So you can see straight away if they're out or if they agree. As you can see, all of my accounts are out. And it not only shows you the value, it shows you how many transactions you're going to match. So you know how much effort that's going to take. If we scroll down over here, we can look by the information that's come in that there has been a payment to Books by Bessie for $55. But what's great is a match has been found. So QuickBooks has automatically suggested to you over here that it can match this transaction with one of the underlying invoices. If not, don't worry. There's always the add expense button. Over here, so that when you click this, you can then now pull in a list of transactions that need to match to it. So if we hit the match button over here, it's really going to be very quick. QuickBooks has automatically found that. Good, done. We can see the balance is reduced over here. We've gone down to 23 transactions now because I've done 2. You can, of course, open this up to see exactly which invoice payments, etc., that QuickBooks is matching it to. Once it's matched, it will move into the categorize section. This is transactions that you've already matched. You can always undo it. And you can also exclude transactions from being matched for whatever reason. You can also initiate your own rules. So this is really quite a neat feature. So think of this for somebody that is, maybe making a payment to you, but the name never matches what's on the invoice. So you can write a rule over here. So, missing name, for example, that I'm going to put in over here. Apply those transactions to, let's just say money in on a specific bank account. So I only want to do it on my checking account. And the description contains the description of bank text. So in my case, it's the description always will contain, let's just say John, because I always know that he, puts the wrong name, and I'm always going to record that as a deposit, and that will get recorded against the income sales accounts over here. I can just record sales income for now. And even note the payee, which is a neat feature because then I'm automatically applying to who it belongs to. So that means anytime I see that transaction come from John, apply to Amy's Bird Sanctuary because I know that's who it's actually for. And you can either auto add it, so let the system, capture everything, or you can just check it yourself. And in that case, it will come up as recommendation. You can click save or match, and it will pull through. So that's quite neat. So it creates that rule. And now going forward, anytime someone creates a transaction and belongs to those terms, it will pop up over here. Yeah, that's how your reconciliation works within QuickBooks.